here. Are you ready to draw with me? Today we're drawing Esther. We're gonna start by making a wide U in the middle of the paper. Next, let's go right here and start her nose. Do 2 little lines to make a point that looks like the top of a triangle. Now we can finish her nose by connecting the bottom of the triangle with a curved line around to this side here. I like that nose. Now time to make her eyes. So make 2 ovals that look like potatoes on each side of her nose. And now make 2 smaller half circles inside the ovals. And color them in. Oh, Esther has 1 eyelash on each side, so do a curved line on this side and 1 more curved line on that side. And let's do 1 more curved line under her nose. See? A little smile. Right down here under her chin, we can make her neck. So do 2 lines straight down like this. And now we can make her eyebrows. So go right up here and do a little line here. And go above to the other eye and do a line there. Perfect. Next, right here above her nose, we're gonna start making her crown because you know she's a queen. Make a little circle, then little curved lines around, but keep the top open. Then draw 2 lines toward the top. Now we need to make some lines across the top. So go to the end of this line here and go across. And go to this side and do another line across too. Good, good. And then we can do a big upside down U to connect these lines at the top. I like that. Now we can make a design in the middle of her crown. Let's start by doing 2 lines down from the top like this. On this side, make a curved line around to the side and down. And make another curved line on the other side. Bring your marker right over here and do a line across. Pick your marker up and make another line across over here like I did. And on top of those lines, do a half circle. And right in the middle, let's draw a heart. You did it! How about we make her bangs next? Go right above this eyebrow and make a little dot. Dot! Start at the dot and make some curvy U's all the way across. Stop at the upside down tree and make more curvy U's all the way across. Okay, go back to the dot and make a curved line down past her eye to the side of her face. And do the same thing on the other side. From this point here, let's make lots of little curvy lines down to make her curly hair. She has long hair. Now I'm gonna make her hair on the other side. Lots of curvy lines down this side, all the way down. Well, let's make her ear next. So go right here and do a C. Oh, and Esther needs a final touch. So go right under her ear and make a stretched oval. And do another one on the other side. There! That was so much fun. Thanks for drawing with me today. Bye!